Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Can you use Paysafe to buy crypto? Now, I know this might seem like a simple question, but the answer is actually a little more complicated than you might think. There are a few different ways you can use Paysafe card to buy crypto, but each method has its own pros and cons. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about what Paysafe card is and why it's so popular. Paysafe card is a prepaid payment method that's available in over 50 countries around the world. It's a great way to pay for things online without having to link your bank account or credit card. This makes it a popular choice for people who are concerned about security or privacy. One of the main advantages of Paysafe card is that it's easy to use. You can simply purchase a voucher online or at a local retailer. Once you have the voucher, you can enter the PIN code on the back of the card to make a payment. So, now that we know what Paysafe card is, let's get back to the question at hand. Can you use it to buy crypto? The answer is yes, but there are a few different ways to do it. Here are some of the most popular options. Use a crypto exchange. Many crypto exchanges accept Paysafe card as a payment method. This is a great option if you're already using a crypto exchange or if you're looking for a platform that offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Use a peer-to-peer exchange. Peer-to-peer, P2P, exchanges are platforms where you can buy and sell crypto directly with other users. Some P2P exchanges accept Paysafe card as a payment method. This can be a good option if you're looking for a more personalized experience or if you want to get a better price for your crypto. Use a gift card exchange. Gift card exchanges are websites where you can buy and sell gift cards from different retailers. Some gift card exchanges allow you to trade your Paysafe card for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. This can be a good option if you have a Paysafe card that you're not using or if you're looking for a way to get a discount on your crypto purchase. Now that we've covered the different ways you can use Paysafe card to buy crypto, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of this method. Pros. Easy to use. Paysafe card is a simple and easy-to-use payment method. Secure. Paysafe card is a secure payment method that doesn't require you to provide your personal information. Anonymous. Paysafe card is an anonymous payment method, which can be a good thing if you're concerned about privacy. Widely available. Paysafe card is available in over 50 countries around the world. Cons. Fees. There may be fees associated with using Paysafe card to buy crypto. Limited options. Not all crypto exchanges and P2P exchanges accept Paysafe card. Exchange rates. The exchange rate you get when using Paysafe card may not be as good as the exchange rate you would get if you used another payment method. So, is Paysafe card a good way to buy crypto? The answer depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a simple and secure way to buy crypto, then Paysafe card may be a good option for you. However, if you're looking for the best possible exchange rate or the widest selection of cryptocurrencies, then you may want to consider another payment method. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Paysafe card is right for you is to do your research and compare the different options available. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crypto content.